This is incredible.
Stay off the cuff, that's OFF. Show them bars to the worldwide net. All the drinks made yet, pass one to me. Blessed he, the old-fashioned king, the old-fashioned king.
Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another Old Fashioned Friday, and this week we are back right here in Richmond, Virginia, the capital of Virginia, and today we are at Fanboy. Fanboy came highly recommended from a couple friends of mine, also a couple of clients of mine that are in the spirit world. Before we even jump into this, I'm just gonna say Fanboy has one of the most unique Old Fashions that I've seen to date. This is a barbecue Old Fashioned, price point $14. They consist of bacon fat washed Old Forester. That's not too different. We've had some fat washed Old Fashions in the past. Demerara, bourbon barbecue sauce, brown sugar candied bacon right here on top for the garnish, bitters, and a smoked glass. Super unique. You can see right off the rip, they got the clarified ice too, so I'm very, very excited. If you just tuned into our channel, we are Virginia's for Grubbers. We do a series every single Friday called Old Fashioned Friday, where we review Old Fashions. We rate them off of 4 things. It's 0 through 3 on appearance, first sip, overall taste, 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. So as far as appearance is concerned, you can see this is not the biggest glass. Their water glasses are actually even a little tiny. Unique. I like a big glass, everybody knows that. However, they do have a giant piece of clarified ice, which is clutch. And if you don't have clarified ice, you get the best clarified ice at stillice.com throughout the DMV. So off of appearance, I like the bacon. I like the uniqueness of the ingredients in it. However, the glass is a little small. We're gonna go 2.5 off of appearance. Let's jump into this first sip. Barbecue Old Fashioned first sip. This is incredible. Off of first sip thoughts, very, very smooth. You taste the bacon fat flavor in there, but it's not overbearing. I thought there was no way to kind of mix bacon into a bourbon and or barbecue sauce and not make it overbearing, but it's just very, very subtle, but so smooth. You could drink this in one sip. If Davy Jones was here, he would drink this in one sip. 2024, I would say this is the best tasting Old Fashioned off of first sip that we've shot to date. I'm gonna go max score. I'm gonna go full 3 off of first sip. We're gonna jump into this overall score, and then we'll talk about the ambiance here at Fanboy. Super dope vibes in here. They have all these vinyl records behind us that you can see. Super, super cool bar, nice lighting. I like the color, the decor, the layout here. It's on the smaller side, but it makes it a little bit more intimate. They also have DJs here every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, which is super cool. And the DJ spins vinyl. Kind of goes with kind of the atmosphere here. A little bit of throwback vibes as far as the decor is concerned. So when you mix in a DJ doing vinyl, I think that's dope. Full 1 off of ambiance. We'll jump into this overall. Here we go. This is insanely good. It tastes like a bacon candy Old Fashioned. So you get a little bit of savory from the bacon. You get the sweetness from that candy flavor in there too. That guy's speeding. This is dangerously good. And I gotta do the candy bacon too, right? Oh my God. I don't know if it's the background song that's kind of consuming me, but I feel like I'm in a spiritual movie right now. That's how good this Old Fashioned is. I would argue maybe eat half a piece of the bacon and then sip on it. I feel like that would have a nice balance to it. This is flawless. Barbecue Old Fashioned. You get a nice sized glass in there, maybe a stamp on top. You're looking at possibly a full 10 score. I'm gonna stick to the same max score of full 3. And then we have it Fanboy, Richmond, Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers, 9.5. Cheers.